Here I have Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're just in a normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Wait, why does it? I have to swipe shutter button, so you have to swipe it like right, like this, and as you can see, after that the burst shot starts. I took like 30 shots, something, I guess. So here you can review these shots. So yeah, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.